Hello, and welcome to Learning with Michael. I'm Michael, and today we'll talk about healthy habits, simple changes you can make to improve your life. At the end, I'll share some useful English words and phrases to help you expand your vocabulary. Let's get started. Healthy habits are small things you can do every day to improve your physical and mental well-being. They can help you feel better, have more energy, and live a longer, happier life. The good news is that you don't need to make big changes. Small steps can make a big difference. The first healthy habit is eating a balanced diet. A balanced diet means eating different kinds of food: fruits, vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats. Eating healthy foods gives your body the nutrients it needs to stay strong and work well. For example, instead of eating fast food every day, try to eat more fruits and vegetables. Your body will thank you for it. Another important habit is exercising regularly. You don't have to run a marathon, but regular exercise, like walking, cycling, or swimming, can help you stay fit. Exercise keeps your body strong and your mind healthy. It also gives you more energy, which can help you feel better every day. Try to exercise at least 30 minutes a day, a few times a week. Sleep is also important. Many people don't get enough sleep, but rest is necessary for good health. Sleep helps your body recover, improves your mood, and keeps your mind sharp. Try to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Make sure your bedroom is quiet, dark, and comfortable for the best sleep. Managing stress is another healthy habit. Life can be busy and stressful, but it's important to take time to relax. Find activities that help you relax, such as reading, listening to music, or taking a walk in nature. Deep breathing exercises or meditation can also help calm your mind. When you manage your stress, you feel more balanced and happy. Finally, staying hydrated is crucial. Drinking enough water helps your body work properly and keeps your skin healthy. Try to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. You can also drink herbal tea or water with a splash of lemon. Avoid sugary drinks, which can make you feel tired and unhealthy. Now, let's review some useful words. Balanced diet means eating a variety of healthy foods. Example: a balanced diet helps you stay healthy. Exercise means moving your body to stay fit. Example: exercise keeps you strong and full of energy. Sleep means resting at night to recover. Example: good sleep helps your body and mind feel better. Stress means feeling worried or anxious. Example: stress can be reduced with relaxation techniques. Hydrated means having enough water in your body. Example: staying hydrated is important for good health. Try using these words in your daily conversations. Remember, healthy habits don't require big changes. Small daily actions, like eating better, exercising, sleeping well, and managing stress, can make a big difference in your life. Thank you for listening to Learning with Michael. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who might find it helpful. Keep going, keep growing, and I'll see you next time.